Hello, I am the Maker Monster, and on today's episode, we're gonna take a human skull and make a spooky clock. But first, I want to add a little bit of color in here, so let me know what you think. So what do you think about this nice purple? Purple. Ugh. Ooh. Now, it might not be the most accurate clock in the world, but I mean, what is time if not just a man-made concept that counts down to death? Right? I mean, come on. Who cares? I really wish I had like a little piano that I could play and sing songs about the projects that I just made. Oh, I think I do. Hold on. I took my best friend's skull, and then I made a clock, and now he'll live forever. Wow. Now that was special. That was a song just for you. Now, let me know what else you want to see me build. Some stupid little thing that you think the world needs. Okay, bye!